right, my last lesson for the day. I've had some 9th grade requests, and specifically geometry. So we're going to be talking about triangles, one of the simpler things in high school geometry. Okay, welcome to another episode of Teaching in Isolation with Tara. And like I said, we're doing 9th grade geometry today. Maybe if some of you want to explore this with your younger kiddos, go ahead, challenge them, see what they can do. But for those of you that have 9th graders or any age kiddo in geometry, maybe you're trying to help them with their homework that's been assigned and you're like, oh, what the heck is an isosceles triangle? Maybe this will help you, or maybe this is just some extra exploration for your high school kiddos. All right, so triangles. Triangles are three-sided shapes. Okay, I've drawn a couple triangles. They are described or labeled by their angles or their sides. And I'm talking specifically their interior angles. Okay? So, how we label and describe them. The first way is by angles. We have an acute triangle, a right triangle, and an obtuse triangle. So, in an acute triangle, all sides, because we're talking about our angles, all angles are less than 90 degrees. All of those interior angles, so those angles on the inside, are less than 90 degrees. So if I get my protractor out, I can tell that they are less than 90 degrees. Okay, a right angle triangle, or a right triangle, has one right angle. And this little box here in the corner is how we tell that it is a right angle, or you get your protractor out and you can see that it is 90 degrees. Okay, or side, you can call it a right side triangle, whatever. Right angle is 90 degrees. And then our obtuse is one angle is greater than 90. So one angle is greater than 90. So my 90 would go straight up, it's greater than that. That is an obtuse triangle. Okay, so those are my angles, my labels for those triangles. Now, the other way is by sides. We have equilateral triangle, an isosceles triangle, a scalene triangle, and that right triangle again. So the equilateral triangle has 3 equal sides. So all the sides, you get out your ruler, your protractor, you measure the sides. It's the outside. We're not talking about angles anymore. We're talking about the actual sides. There's 3 sides in a triangle. Those sides are equal. These are free-handed, so if I got my ruler, they're obviously not correct. But isosceles is 2 equal sides. That one's kind of obvious. You can tell it's usually, it's got the shorter bottom and the same sides here. Scalene has no equal sides. I really messed up drawing that. For some reason, that was a challenge for me. I don't know, but it has no equal sides. And then my right triangle, once again, has 2 perpendicular sides. So it's a 90-degree angle. Right, so once again, acute, right, obtuse, equilateral, isosceles, scalene, and right. That's the foundation, the stuff that you need to know. Okay, here's your assignment, your kiddo's assignment. You need to make these notes. So, some point in the video, you're going to pause this, and you're gonna draw these notes. These are going to help you in high school geometry. Okay, make these notes. I've made them extremely simplified, so it's easy to remember. Okay, you're going to get your protractor. If you're in geometry class, I'm guessing you have a protractor. If not, you can make one, watch a tutorial online, figure it out. Okay, use a protractor and find all of these triangles, all of them, in your house. Yeah, what are you going to do after you find them in your house? You're going to write them down. You're going to say, oh, I found an acute triangle in the bathroom by all the toilet paper I have stockpiled. This is where it was. Okay, and I know it's acute because all angles are less than 90 degrees. Okay, you're going to do that for every single one. And then your parent or you are going to, or the kiddo or whoever is watching this video, whoever's doing the assignment, you're going to draw the triangles with correct equal marks, little hashes. Okay? I'm calling them equal marks because it's an easier way to remember them. So this here is a isosceles triangle. It has 2 equal sides, so those 2 equal sides are hashed. This is a right triangle sign. It's a little box in the corner. Okay? Do that too. but I want to see equal sides. So I want you to see you draw a triangle, all less than 90. Okay, whoops, I'm done here. Sides. 3 equal sides. So you have 1, 2, 3 hash marks. The same hash mark on each side. 2 sides. 1 hash mark, 1 hash mark. No equal sides. No hash marks. Right triangle. You're just going to draw that little box in the middle. Or in your interior angle that is 90 degrees. Okay? At the perpendicular lines. Okay? Get a protractor, make these notes, draw the triangles with the little hashes so you remember. You can add that to your notes. You don't know? You're a genius, you're a high school kid. Get online, look it up. But the best way to remember something is to make it into a story. Okay? That is how we remember. That is how we retain things long term. Make it into a story. So you're a cute triangle. Maybe you're going to make it a really cute triangle. Maybe you're going to give it some lipstick, some long hair. I don't know. Make it a cute triangle. The right triangle, draw it like your teacher that's always right, never wrong. Can never be corrected, right? Okay? Draw their face on that triangle. I don't know. Maybe it's your parent. Obtuse triangle. One angle is greater than 90 degrees. Obtuse, obtuse, obtuse. I don't know, come up with something maybe like has a tooth. I don't know, get creative. Find a story that you can remember to help you remember these words, because that's the most difficult part of this. This part is simple. What it means, what's the description, the definition, that's easy. Remembering the actual words. Okay, equilateral is good because it's equal, right? 3 equal sides. Isosceles, scaling. How are you going to remember that? Come up with a story to help you remember that. Draw a picture. That is going to help you remember what those triangles are, what they mean. Okay? Stay healthy. Wash your hands.